Hey, what's going on, guys? Um, Made a very nice ammo score the other day. It's SAMSON by IMI, Israeli Military Industries. I picked up a box of 1,000 rounds of 38 Special Plus P. These are the 125 grain semi-jacketed. They look like soft tip hollow points, semi wad cutters. I don't know exactly. This is the bullets. They're the semi-jacketed soft tip hollow points. The Samson is supposed to be real hot, and I did some research on these. I can't find anything online, uh, in forums. I can't find nothing about the 38s. I see some 9mm by Samson, some rifle ammo 223s, stuff like that, but I'm not seeing anything on the 38s. But anyway, I did get an awesome price on this. This is original box here. And I got 20 boxes of 50. Now all of these are in these, they're in plastic. Sorry, I'm holding the camera with one hand. They're in unopened plastic sleeves of 5 boxes each. Like I said, these are the 38 Special Plus P, 125 grain jacketed hollow points, and they're match grade, which is good because they should all shoot the same. So I got 1,000 rounds of the 125 grain jacketed hollow points, and then I got an extra 3 boxes because I didn't really want to open up, these sleeves yet. So I said, let me take an extra 3 boxes. So we opened up a brand new sleeve out of a different box, and I didn't even realize it at the time, but these are the 158 grain jacketed hollow points, whereas the box of 1,000 is 125 grain. So I do have now 1,000 rounds of the 125 grain, and I have 150 rounds of the 158 grain. They don't look too bad. On a few of the cases, there is a little dark spotting. But other than that, they seem to be in pretty good condition. If you guys have any information on SAMSON, IMI, and 38 Special Plus Ps, leave it in a comment. I'm trying to, familiarize myself with these things, and I just can't find any information on these things anywhere. So, like I said, I got these at a super price. 1,150 rounds of this Samson 38 Special Plus P for 14 cents a round. So I couldn't pass it up. And like I said, they don't look too bad. I don't know if you can see the head stamp on there. It says IMI 38 Special Plus P. There you go. IMI 38 SPL Plus P. I haven't shot any of them yet. But I am going to get out and try out a box of these 158 grains. And I am going to let you know how they shoot. Anyway, I'll let you go on this one. I did score some other stuff at the same time with this, which I'm going to do in a separate video. This guy did give me some 9mm. He gave me 59 rounds of 9mm with a really weird backstory on them. So I'm going to get to them on another video. And also, if I can give a shout out to Gun Sam, Revolver Aficionado. I had questioned him on these last week, and he said he had never heard of them, and he couldn't find any information on them either. So, if you're out there, Gun Sam, give me a call, because I'd like to donate a box of this to you for testing purposes. I'm pretty sure you have my number. Anyway, I'll let you guys go on this one, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.